Hello, it's Sunday, December 21st, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX.com's Trading Support Center. This is your Week in Review. Today, we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. The US dollar resumed its climb last week against all but one of its 31 major currency peers for the first time since 1997. The currency's upward momentum comes as the dollar rose for the 8th time in 9 weeks on signals that the Federal Reserve will increase interest rates starting as early as April 2015. The US dollar rose 0.6% to 199.50 yen and gained 1.9% to $1.2229 per euro, the strongest level seen since August 2012. U.S. stocks also saw their best week in 2 months as the Standard & Poor's 500 index rose 3.4% and erased a $1 trillion equity slump. Meanwhile, the euro fell 1.2% against the yen to 146.15 for the second week in a row. The Swiss franc fell 0.2% against the euro to 1.20359, following the Swiss National Bank's decision to protect the currency against the euro on stimulus measures expected next week by the European Central Bank. The pound remained steady against the euro after appreciating 1.2% since December 12th, but fell 0.3% against the US dollar to 1.5626. The Canadian dollar neared a 5-year low against its US counterpart to $1.16. Russia's ruble advanced 4% after the most volatile week in 16 years to 59.14 by midday trading Friday, as the cash crunch instated by the Russian central bank began to work and as oil appeared to stabilize at $60 a barrel. In commodities news, West Texas Intermediate oil climbed 4.5%, its biggest gain since August 2012, and Brent crude rose more than 5% on Friday. However, OPEC isn't expected to cut production in the near future and stated that it will continue to produce at current levels even if oil fails as low as $40 a barrel. OPEC advised other oil producers to minimize output and cut down on excess supplies to prevent the commodity from falling any further. Gold futures for February delivery rose 0.13% to $1196.30 an ounce and are expected to find support at $1182 and resistance at $1213.90. Silver for March delivery rose 0.71% to $16.047 an ounce, and copper futures for March delivery were up 1.29% at $2.89 a pound. And that's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal account manager is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.